Divoom Ditoo is a Bluetooth speaker with a retro-inspired computer design. The speaker features a 16x16 pixel grid on the front which can be customised to perform a variety of different functions or display custom artwork. The most striking feature of the Ditoo is its design and appearance, which looks like a vintage all-in-one computer. I'm a big fan of design and I think it is fantastic and novel, making it a fantastic gift or decoration for a workspace. The speaker is available in a variety of different colour options. I've been testing out the white model for my review. It is made from a plastic construction which feels high quality and durable and well made. The front of the speaker is home to the 16x16 pixel grid display that can show a variety of information and customizable designs. To control the speaker, there's a set of backlit mechanical keys that are used to change the speaker mode, adjust brightness as well as track and volume controls. Now these are proper mechanical blue keyboard switches which provide a clicky feel and sound when pressed. There's also a lever which is used to interface with certain speaker functions. The right hand side is home to the connectivity and I/O. If you don't wish to use Bluetooth for music playback, you can load up some music onto the microSD card, and the speaker also has its own music library. The power button is also located on the right hand side alongside the USB Type-C port, which is used for charging up the speaker. The actual speakers for the Ditoo are located within the top screen part of the device. A 10-watt speaker unit fires upwards out of the top of the speaker, and a passive subwoofer provides the low end out of a gap on the rear side of the speaker. If you're solely looking for a speaker that is a Bluetooth speaker and nothing else, there are probably better sounding options out there for the money. But if you're interested in the additional features that the Ditoo brings to the table, the Ditoo is still a good sounding option and manages to pack in a lot of sound for its small form factor. The treble of the speaker sounds clean and provides good clarity for percussion instruments and vocals, and this is emitted from the top of the device. The mid frequencies also sound fairly good. As for bass, the passive subwoofer does an excellent job at providing bass to songs. While listening to tracks such as Get Lucky by Daft Punk, the bass was easy to hear, loud and clear. It is truly surprising how much of a kick this small speaker can put out. When I first tried the speaker, I was extremely impressed by how it sounded given its form factor. I do wish that the speaker had a little more presence when listening. If you're stood on the other side of the room, it's very easy to pinpoint where the sound is coming from. This could be due to the small size of the speaker, and I do not see it being a big problem given the style of the speaker and that it will most likely be near you on your desk or on your bedside. But if you do find yourself needing to fill a space with sound, the speaker will get very loud. Unfortunately, the microphone on the speaker is not good at all. During my testing, my voice sounded incredibly quiet and almost inaudible. Here's a sample of the microphone that I've recorded.
This is a sample of the microphone on the Divoom Ditoo.
The Divoom Ditoo has a range of interesting features that make it great for day-to-day use or just to kill some time. The speaker can be used to play built-in mini games, set an alarm clock, or use as a sleep aid. These features can be found and customised within the Divoom app on your mobile device. This app does require an account to use, which I can see as a downside. The app can also be used to create and download artwork to show on the speaker's display, and you can start from scratch or import an image from your camera roll. There are some very cool and neat animations and artwork within the app to personalise the speaker for you. The speaker uses Bluetooth 5.0 to connect to your mobile device, and this is great to see as it is the sort of speaker that you may be using for years to come. So having a speaker that is future-proofed for modern mobile devices is certainly a bonus. The speaker is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, which will provide it with around 8 hours of power. This will vary depending on a range of variables such as your listening volume, display brightness and keyboard backlight. And when it comes to charging up the speaker, it will take around 4 hours to be fully charged again. The Divoom Ditoo is a fantastic little Bluetooth speaker with a fun and interesting design which I love. The pixel display makes it more than just a speaker and making it useful for keeping an eye on the time or for increasing your productivity. There may be better value for money speakers out there, but the Ditoo offers a fun novelty factor that the others can't, and it would make an excellent gift as well. So that's been it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. I'll leave a link to the speaker in the description if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.